Hey, I'm Jesse. You're wondering how to make money on the side from home in 2019. Well, there's a bunch of different routes you could go. If you use the link in my bio, it teaches you how Tai Lopez makes money online. You could try to scour YouTube, find information that actually works. You can find a lot that doesn't. I don't know if you want to spend the time doing it, or you can have a step-by-step guide on how to start the business, how to choose your niche, how to choose if you're going to do Amazon, if you're going to do Amazon white label, like it goes over all the different routes that you could do to choose the online business that you want to do for yourself from home. Plus, it teaches you how to set up your bank account for the business, teaches you how to use the social media in order to make people come to your webpage, in order to come to your Shopify store, Amazon, all that different stuff without doing paid advertising. And then it also teaches you a little bit about paid advertisement. So it gives you a whole lot of content that's actually organized, put together, will benefit you in the long run versus trying to find stuff online, going through MLMs, putting in, I don't even remember what they make you do in most MLMs. Like, I know Young Living Oils was like, you buy their starter kit for $180 or something. Like, so if you're going to invest into something, choose something that you have the most control of, which if you're investing into knowledge to create your own business versus into a product of a business that someone else's where your potential is capped, it makes more sense to me to start my business, use the knowledge of someone that's already had a business, plus all the other people that you can consider your mentors that are underneath him that teach you along the way as well. So you get more perspective from more places, and it's all data that's just put all together properly without end up having just random stuff in there that doesn't make any sense. So if you want a course that's full in depth plus has extra bonuses, and there's tons of other bonuses in there as well, then use the link in the description, go watch a little video, and you can learn how Tai makes money online.